Unit 4 Mixed Review number 6. Two numbers are shown. A number in between is missing. So we got 2 and 57 thousandths, 2 and 8 thousandths. Which number can be placed in the box to show the numbers in order from greatest to least? So we're trying to find what fits between these. And for me, greatest to least is hard. And so I'm actually going to switch these. I'm going to flip them. Whoops. Flip them and change this to least to greatest. And I'm going to make a number line to help me visualize this. So we have 2 and 8 thousandths here and 2 and 57 thousandths here. Those are already both thousandths, so easy thinking here. Remember, you always want them to be the same. Don't want to have hundredths mixed in with thousandths and tenths and all of that. So if we look at answer choice A, we have 2 and 51 hundredths. If we add a 0, we get thousandths, 2 and 510 thousandths. So compared to 8 thousandths and 57 thousandths, that 510 thousandths is going to be way over here, right? Answer choice A would be way over here. It'd even be off my screen, but we'll go ahead and just put it there for now. So A is not between the two. B, 2 and 6 thousandths. That one's already thousandths. So comparing that to my 2 and 8 thousandths and my 2 and 57 thousandths, 6 is less than 8. So B would be maybe right about there. Answer choice C, 2 and 58 thousandths. Again, it's already thousandths, so don't need to add any zeros. 58 thousandths is going to be more than 57, just tiny bit more, actually, and so C would be right there. Answer choice D, 2 and 51 thousandths. 51 thousandths. We have 8 thousandths, we have 57. 51 is between 8 and 57, and so D would be maybe right about there. And so which one is in between our two numbers, between here and here? We have answer choice D.